Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So I am just working on my one of my clients' WordPress website. I just thought of covering this because this is something very important and it's too simple. This is not something very tough or something, but if you don't know it, so it's too tough for you. You will be looking for multiple solution and all these things. So you can see this right here. I have like intentionally I have changed my permanent link setting so that I can make you understand what are the things or say difference between what I'm doing right now and what it should be done like. So if you are building a maybe company website or doing something like this, so it should be like you will be having a homepage, blog, contact us, services, about section. Also you can also add like social media icons there. So based on it, and what you need is, if you are having, suppose if I am having a website like my company's website, scaleupmarketing.com, scale up marketing solutions. So my website link is sumsmarketing.com. Now if I want services page, so it would be sumsmarketing.com/services, sumsmarketing.com/blog/contact/about us, like this. Okay, we don't want any page id question mark 412 or anything like this, that you can see right here. I have written the slug is services because it is by default slug, because my page name is services. That's why slug is services. But if they are say creating some random page id 42 or all these things, if I'll click there, I'll land to my services page. You can see this right here. But I don't want it to like the URL to be like this. I want it to be, let me just show you, it should be services/services. Okay, you can see this right here. But right now, as my permanent link settings is not the way it should be, that's why I'll land again to my home page. Let's just click there. Okay, you can just see this right here. So now what I'll do, I'll just make you learn about this setting. What you need to do, just go to your WordPress dashboard. Left hand side you can see this setting option there, and then downside you can see permanent links. Click on permanent link. Right now we have written plain, so we have chosen plain. So when you choose plain, it will be like this. You can see question mark, page, post or page equal to 123, whatever some say some like uh, string will be there. Okay, so day and name, like day will be there, name will be there, and month will be there. But we want it to be post name. If your post name is services, then your page will be www.xyz.com/services. I want it to be like this. Okay, let's just check this. Now I'm going to save this. Okay, and I'm just coming back to my page here. Okay, now you can see this. Let me just refresh it once, and then we can see the slug. Now you can see this slug is services. When I'm clicking there, you can see this services is coming, and this is my permanent link. You can see, because I have chosen it for post name. So whatever our post is, that is services. I've created a page for services, about us, blog, whatever the name of page I'm choosing. So it will be our permanent link slash, that is www.xyz.com/services/contact us and all these things. So yeah, this is just a useful tip. Maybe it will be easy for all of you, like many of you, those who know. But it's truly a say struggling case when you don't know about it, and you will be finding a lot of, maybe you will think that theme is not going well with the type of company you are running. So it's not like that. These are just small settings on say WordPress that you should know. I'll cover more videos also whenever I'll work on something important. So yeah, just stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.